Okay, what's up YouTube? This is a random, unexpected episode of A Day in the Life of Riyadh. Normally I go out to find cars and look at them, but this particular time, one just happened to creep up on me while I'm doing something else, and I just had to do a quick random video. So you can see, that's a Plymouth Roadrunner. Now, I'm not gonna sit here and act like I know all the specs and what year it is and horsepower. I ain't even gonna front like that. But here it is. I'm doing something else. Actually, I'm at work. That's why I'm not gonna put my face in the video. But I'm at a customer and the car is here. So I had to do a quick video. I don't know if it's all original. I don't know anything about this car. I don't even know who owns the car. But here it is. And I had to do a quick video because that's one of my all-time favorites. The car is big and long as hell. The Superbird, BB Zip Bang, looking at me. That's what's up. That's a nice car. So, just gonna walk around it a little bit. Normally there's like a Mustang Steeder edition parked over here, but I ain't gonna take no video of no Mustang. Not just yet. It gotta be something special. Got that pistol grip shifter in there, if you can see that. Interior looks nice. I don't want to be all in whoever car it is. 150 on the dash, 43,000 miles on this puppy. This is a nice car with the Be of Goodrich TA radios on there, or radio TA. Somebody gonna correct me. But this is a nice vehicle. Yes, it is. So I had to do a quick video of this car because just happened to come up on it. Now I'm gonna go back doing what I was supposed to be doing, but I just had to do that right quick. So there you go, YouTube. Plymouth Superbird in effect. Day in the life of Riyadh. You never know what happens and what I might see or what you might find.